Hello. Today we are going to explore an important transformation in the way we use internet, that is Web 2.0. Unlike the early days of internet, which were mostly static and read only, Web 2.0 emphasizes user participation, content sharing, collaboration, and interactivity. It's all around us in blogs, wikis, social media, and many other platforms. Whether you are commenting on a cricket match on Facebook, reading a blog on Times of India, or using a Talabat to order food in Doha. Web 2.0 is behind it all. In earlier video, we talked about the basic idea of Web 2.0. Let us explore technologies built over Web 2.0 and how they made the web more collaborative, interactive, and personalized. So let us start to break down what Web 2.0 really means and examine the technologies and tools that power it. Web 2.0 is not the new version of internet. Let us note this. But it is a shift in how we interact with it. In Web 1.0, websites were static. One could read contents, but one couldn't contribute to it. Web 2.0 changed this by allowing users to generate, share, and interact with the contents. The key features of Web 2.0 are like rich user interfaces, dynamic content delivery, community participation, and basically software as a service. Think of YouTube where users are uploading video, like I am going to upload this video too. Wikipedia where users write and edit articles, or Facebook where we interact in real time. These all are powered by Web 2.0 technologies like Ajax, APIs, HTML5, etc. In India, apps like Flipkart, Baiju rely on Web 2.0 features for interactivity. In Qatar, platforms like Qatar Living allows users to post classifieds, reviews, and questions, showing the user-driven nature of Web 2.0. Let us start, let us see, what are the different technologies that are there that we are going to understand in this video. So we are going to talk about mainly these concepts, or probably one can say technologies, starting with blogging, forums, wikis, social networks, bookmarking, Foxnomy, e-commerce, syndication, instant messaging, mashup, RIA, and rich collaborative software. So let us start talking about blogging. Blogging is one of the most widespread Web 2.0 activity. A blog, short for weblog, is like a digital diary or a newsletter. It allows individuals and organizations to post content chronologically, usually on specific topics. Blog features include reader comments and feedback, categories and tags for navigation, subscription via RSS feeds. Blogs can be personal, like travel or food blogs, or professional, such as tech industry updates. Tools like WordPress or Medium make it easy to start a blog with no coding experience. In India, Your Story is well-known blog-based platform sharing startup stories. Travel bloggers like Bruised Passports also attract large audiences. In Qatar, iloveqatar.net includes blogs on culture, blogs on food, local events. Thus, blog allow for public participation through comments and shares. Next is forums. Forums are discussion forum or platforms where people post questions and answers in a structured, organized way. Unlike blogs, forums are community driven. User creates threads around specific topic and others reply. Forums encourage knowledge sharing and community support. Reddit is one of the example which is meant for general discussion. Stack Overflow is meant for coding help. Quora for question and answers across many topics. Forums often have many moderators. Reputation points, categories to manage discussions and maintain quality. In India, Team BHP is a popular forum for automobile enthusiasts. It's a place where people share reviews, experiences, and technical advice. Whereas in Qatar, expat women Qatar living forums serve as platforms where expats discuss housing, schools, and legal queries. These forums are invaluable for community engagement. Next is Wiki. Wikis are collaborative platforms where users create and edit interlinked contents. The most famous example in Wikipedia, but many organizations use internal wikis like Confluence to document knowledge. Now, when we talk about features of wikis, like they are often edited by users. Page versioning and history tracking is provided. Hyperlinked structure is added for navigation. Wikis promote collective intelligence. When many people contribute small piece of information, the result is comprehensive knowledge base. For example, Marathi Wikipedia, Hindi Wikipedia provide localized knowledge in native languages in India. In academia, universities in India and Qatar, they use internal wikis like Moodle-based collaboration tools or Confluence to share academic resources. Wikis are democratic. Anyone can contribute and knowledge grows with the collective effort. Next is social networks. Social network actually connect people and allow them to share experiences, ideas, and content. They are based on user profiles, network of connections, and interactive features like likes, comments, and live streaming. Like good examples for this, well known Facebook for general social interaction, LinkedIn for professional networking, and Instagram for photo and video sharing. Now, these platforms also use algorithms to show you content based on your interests and behavior. They are not just tools for communication. Please take a note. They have become platforms for advertising, platforms for activism, and business. In India, ShareChat supports communication in regional languages. QApp is a Twitter alternative in local languages. In Qatar, Instagram and Snapchat is widely used, especially for small businesses to promote services. Even like we know, government services like the Ministry of Interior Qatar uses Twitter and Facebook to post alerts and updates. Next is bookmarking. Bookmarking allows users to save, tag, and organize web contents for the future use. Social bookmarking platform extend this idea by allowing users to share their bookmarks. Now, how they help us? They make easy retrieval for useful links to the user. in discovering new content via share tags, by organizing knowledge with categories. Pinterest is meant for visual bookmarking. Pocket is meant for reading articles later. And Raindrop.io for organized research collections. In India, students often use Pocket and Digo to save articles for competitive exam preparation. In Qatar, whereas professionals in education or research might use Raindrop.io or even Evernote Web Clipper to collect resources across multiple sites. And these tools simplify content organization and make research and planning more efficient. Next is folksonomy. The term folksonomy combines folks and taxonomy. It is the way to classify content using user generated tags. And this helps the users to make content easier to find and group by topic. Unlike official taxonomics are created by experts, folksonomies are built organically as users interact with the contents. You have seen them in hashtags on Twitter or Instagram, tags in blogs and YouTube videos. Folksonomy reflect the real language and thinking of users, making them a powerful Web 2.0 tool. Folksonomy means letting users categorize contents using their own words or tags. On Instagram, tag like hash incredible India or maybe hash visit Qatar helps users to discover travel photos and stories. E-commerce platforms like Mintra, Namshi allow tagging products by style, trend, or occasion, which helps users to find what they are looking for faster. Tags also increase visibility, so they are crucial for marketing and searchability. Next is e-commerce. We know e-commerce has benefited greatly from Web 2.0. Sites are no longer just online stores. They are interactive platforms. Users write reviews, ask questions, and share experiences. Now, as a feature perspective of Web 2.0 in e-commerce, user write reviews and provide their ratings. Users get personalized recommendations. Users get live support and chatbots. Platforms like Amazon, Flipkart rely on Web 2.0 features to build trust and retain customers. In India, Amazon India and Flipkart allow customers to post reviews, images, and frequently asked questions. Misho, one application, lets small business owners to sell through social platforms. Whereas in Qatar, Talabat and Carriage integrate customer reviews and real-time delivery tracking. Local Instagram stores also showcase their testimonials and story highlights. The customer becomes part of the brand conversation. Next is syndication, RSS or Atom. Syndication uses tools like RSS or Atom. RSS means really simple syndication. Or Atom feeds to distribute content updates automatically. Instead of visiting multiple websites, users can subscribe and receive updates in one place. Users could be blogs, news websites, podcasts, tools like Feedly or Irradier aggregate these feeds helping users to stay informed without manually checking each site. RSS feeds allow users to receive automatic updates, notifications from their favorite websites. For instance, like news portals like Hindu, Al Jazeera, or Doha News provide RSS links for category specific feeds. Students and researchers in India and Qatar use Feedly to follow updates from journals, edtech blogs, or government portals like UGC or Qatar National Research Fund. It's a time saver that ensures you don't miss the valuable contents. Next is instant messaging. Instant messaging or IM enables real-time communication between individuals or groups. It has evolved from simple text-based chat to include voice, videos, emojis, and file sharing. Further, AI bots are added. Now, common platform perspective, we know WhatsApp and Telegram are meant for mobile messaging. Slack and Microsoft Teams used for workplace communication. So IAM is now essential for quick collaboration, both socially and professionally. So in India or even in Qatar, you must have seen like WhatsApp dominates personal and business communication. I'm not sure about Qatar perspective, but definitely in India, it dominated the personal and business communication. It also is used by schools, coaching classes, government bodies to share their updates. In Qatar, Microsoft Teams is widely used by companies and universities like Qatar University. Local services from restaurants to clinics use WhatsApp Business for customer queries and bookings. And one can say IAM is fast and efficient and available 24 by 7. Next is Mashup. Mashup combines data, content, or functionality from multiple sources into one service. It's like mixing ingredients to make something new. Let us say a travel site that combines maps, hostel listings, and weather updates. Mashup uses APIs, application program interfaces, to pull data from sources like Google Maps, Twitter, or Yelp. This allows innovation by letting developers to build on the top of getting services. In Qatar, you must have seen Metrash 2 app combines services like visa checking, traffic fines, and residence renewal in one interface. In India, apps like Bhim, Paytm integrated multiple banking APIs for payment and utility services. It's all about combining data for convenience. Next is RIA, Rich Internet Applications. RIAs deliver a desktop-like experience through the web. They load faster, are more interactive, and often don't require full page reloads. Technologies that support RIAs include AJAX, asynchronous JavaScript and XML, HTML5, and CSS3. Google Docs, real-time collaboration on documents, Canva, web-based graphics design can be considered as a part of RIA. RIAs improve user satisfaction by mimicking the responsiveness of native apps. In India, Byju's and Vedantu make use of RIAs for interactive classes, quizzes, and animations. Similarly, in Qatar Airways, they use it for booking platform offers, dynamic pricing, live chat, and real-time updates. All are built on RIA concepts. And that's why one says RIA make websites more responsive and user-friendly. Next is collaborative software. Collaborative software or groupware enables multiple users to work together on a shared tasks. These tools are essential in remote work, education, and global teams. Features include real-time document editing, video conferencing, integrated chat and task management. Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, Notion for knowledge management are the best examples related to collaborative softwares. So, these platforms foster productivity, reduce email overload, and support asynchronous communication. In India, students collaborate using Google Docs for grouping assignments. Startups use Zoho Projects, an Indian made tool for project management. Whereas in Qatar, many educational institutions use Microsoft Teams, Canva LMS for hybrid learning. Companies rely on tools like Notion, Slack for remote collaboration across departments. So, collaboration tools are now essential in both education and history. So, to wrap up, Web 2.0 has changed how we interact with web. It's no longer about passive consumption. It's about participation, collaboration, and community. The tools and technologies we have covered, blogs, wikis, social networks, and beyond, form the backbone of today's digital world. Whether it's a farmer selling via WhatsApp in India or a student like you attending virtual classes, either in India or maybe from Doha, Web 2.0 makes it possible. Understanding Web 2.0 helps us appreciating the internet's power, saying that it's not just as a source of information, but it is acting as a platform for creation, communication, and connection. Thus, Web 2.0 transformed the internet into the platform for participation and community building. Understanding Web 2.0 gives us a foundation to grasp how technology evolves to empower the users. Thank you.